I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the device. Enable Install Unknown Apps on the file manager you'll use, because Android blocks sideloads by default. Next, locate the Zarchiver APK in Downloads or your chosen folder and confirm the file size and name so you avoid corrupted copies. Once done, make sure your device has enough free space, about 100 MB, and that the APK matches your Android version, since mismatches cause installation errors. You now perform the installation, open a trusted file manager, tap the APK, and accept install from this source when prompted. If Android reports a signature conflict, uninstall any existing Zarchiver or conflicting app, keep user data backed up first. Make sure Play Protect didn't block the APK. If it did, tap Details and allow anyway for this install. Throughout, monitor the prompts so you give the required permissions and avoid partial install. You finish by launching Zarchiver and testing it with a small archive to confirm functionality. This validates that installation and permissions are correct. If the app crashes or shows errors, clear cache, force stop, and try reinstalling. Uninstall first if necessary. If installation still fails, enable USB debugging, connect to a PC, and capture the install error log so you can identify package conflicts or permission denials. That log is the key to a deeper fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.